Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new to today's video, I'm going to be testing out this. Or this. Don't know which shade I am yet. So this is the Revolution Goddess. The Revolution Goddess Glow Cream Contour and Bronze. I got the shade Light and the shade Medium, and we're going to test it out. They come in little squeezy balls, like this, but they've got little puffy things on top, so I assume you just unlock it by turning the little cap at the top here. This top bit rotates and then squeeze it. Oh, well, there we go. Oh, I've still got blush on my hand from the last video. If you want to see me reviewing their blush tint thingamabobs, I'll link it up there for you. Can you tell I got like a little Revolution order? Maybe we should have got the dark one too. Damn. Okay, I have a sandwich. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. I'll put you in a second. Okay, so these are the two colours. The bottom one kind of looks a bit like baby poo, not gonna lie. But yeah, it seems to be okay once you build it up. So I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade, I think. Why do I feel nervous? It's done something, and it wasn't as bad a shade as I thought it was going to be. This is the medium. I do have blush on just now, so this might sort of cover it up, or... Damn, sideburns! That's the lighter one. That's the darker one. So obviously you can tailor it to what you want, but for now I'm going to use this as a contour, so I'm just going to deepen up. Whoa! Throw it. I kind of like the little dotting. The little dotting tool. It's like a bingo dabber. Okay, I'm not mad. I don't mind it. I actually found these when I was looking for a stick formula contour, like a contour stick. The only decent stick contour I know of now is the Fenty Beauty one. If anybody knows of any others, please tell me. But this is the one that I absolutely adore. This is an amber suede. I need to get like a couple of different shades of this. But that's my preferred formula. And I don't know, I think it's just because it's like super creamy. This is maybe a little bit just a vanillian formula to me. But for the price, £6. Is that on offer? No. It's on 3 for 2 just now though. They do have a dark one. Maybe I should have got that too. But yeah, £6. So I mean, you can't really complain at £6. If you're looking for a liquidy, I wouldn't say it's a cream contour, I would say it's a liquid contour. So it's more comparable to like using a concealer or something like that. So if you're looking for one to try, this is definitely worth a try. The packaging's pretty cute. It looks kind of like tortoiseshell. But it is the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Cream Contour and Bronze. Yeah. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next video.